David busy at work, and he's going to tell you a trick that he found out.
Okay, well, I've been cutting this shape here. You see I've got a bunch of them. I've got 3 left to cut. Now this is the inside curve, and you always want to cut your inside curve, because if it breaks, then you sometimes can have an opportunity to move the glass back, the pattern back, and I don't have that here, but if I broke one here, I could move it. And so you always start with the inside curve. But look here, you see this little place where it rounds and goes back really quickly? Well, when I looked at the pattern, I discovered that we don't even need that spot. And so if we cut that off, it gives us a nice rounded curve, which breaks off. See how much of that I took off, and see how nice that is. And Jeannie, why don't you grab that pattern and we'll show them where that curve went. That's okay. Where's the pattern?
Oh, see, you don't want the pattern, you want the cartoon. Right.
Okay, here's the finished piece. And over here, there it is. And if we take it now, we've trimmed our pattern a little bit so that it'll work for us better. But you see, if by taking this part out, it doesn't make any difference whatsoever in the look of the finished product. It looks just great. And so that's a secret to cutting that we've learned so far. We've got 5 different pieces that go into this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 different pieces that go into this thing. And so
yeah, so it's all about simplification. Once you've made it and you're cutting out, you realize, whoa, if I simplified this just a little bit, it'll be easier to cut. And we have to make 26 of these.
And look, I had to swap blades out on my glass cutter. I've had this thing for probably 10 years, been cutting on the same cutter, but this glass is really temperamental, and so a nice sharp blade really helps.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, that's our trip. That's our tip for the day.
And here we have plenty more pieces to cut.
Do we have a finished one?
So here is a picture of the finished product. I made a few before, so that's what these are going to look like. And
It kind of looks like a flame to me.
yeah, it's actually a hand holding a flame.
Oh, okay. And
So,
one of the things that we did to be able to
Whoops.
make these,
sorry.
we put new bits on these 2 grinders, and I'm going to change that one. I'm going to get it up higher so that Jeannie has a better working surface. That one's got a smaller radius, and so it gets into tight curves really good. These are 1-inch bits. We don't use this one very much because it's loud.
Okay.